Hey guys, my name is Mike and I'm here with another video. I've been doing a lot of tutorials yeah, this tutorial I'm gonna do on Skype. I will do more like related videos and maybe Minecraft or whatever you guys suggest. Roblox, whatever. Put it in the comments below and yeah. So basically what you can do is to download Skype. Right here, this program. So you go into your web browser, internet or Google Chrome, Firefox, and then use any search engine, Bing, Google, whatever you want, and then you go type Skype. And you click here. Skype free calls to friends and family. www.skype.com/en/ click on it. Don't click on anyone else for this, and then click on for this. And then you go, if you want to create an account, you go to get Skype. Oh, look here. You can go get Skype, and then you can join us. So we're gonna download Skype. You can't go get Skype and do simply go down it. And then you go here. On mobile you can get it, tablet, phones, TV, and but on mobile, you gotta be careful for these. Android. This one's Android. So don't get it. You don't get a Windows one, like here, the Windows one, and get it for this. Don't do that. You get one that was simple. This is Android. This iPhone, Mac. This is Windows phone, and this is BlackBerry. And yeah, Samsung phone, Nokia. And then you get on this. Gonna get a computer though, and you wanna go. If you get Skype for Windows desktop, don't be worried if you have like a Mac or a Linux, because they're right here. Mac and Linux. So you can click on any of them, and it should say, you just read this and like follow the rules and it should work. I don't have Linux, so I don't know what to do for it. On Mac, it's a bit easier. You just click on it and get Skype. I think there's a video here though for Linux. So don't worry. Linux is like a video. Wait. This, but yeah. Free issues like yeah, you gotta follow these. So if you have Linux on Mac, you just click on it. This download. Get Skype from there. But on Windows, and most people are, so you get Skype on Windows. Yeah, but I already have Skype, so I'm not gonna get it actually. If it doesn't start downloading, don't worry, just click try again, and yeah. Next thing what you do, once you download, you wanna click on it, and then you wanna go through all that stuff, like installation and stuff. I'm pretty sure I assume you know how to do that. Pause the video and download it, but you don't. Alright, and I think there is a virus thing. No, there isn't. Anyway, so Then you want to go on to into you want to click on it, open up, yeah. And then if you just started with Skype, you log in and then you just, and if you have no contacts, like, doesn't matter, because don't worry, you can just search them, your friends, family, and people you like. Just read blah blah blah. Some people named. So yeah, you just want to do that, add contacts, talk with them, send messages, play games with them, and yeah, that was all. Hope you enjoyed, and see you guys